Hi folks, Richard Fontaine here. Now thank you for checking out my product review. Now before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coach to help build your online income to $10,000 a month. Now if you're interested, please check out the first link in the description below, and then you can grab the product from the second link that I'm describing in this review, and you can find that in the second link in the description at any point during the video. And when you do, I'll give you 4 exceptional bonuses that I've been able to snag from Virgo Downs. Now the first bonus shows you how to supercharge your online empire so that you can use free traffic to make money online. Now, this allows you to achieve your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman in Fiverr. And when you get an order for a high-valued gig, for example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and then you deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference in the process. And the third bonus, I will provide you, you will learn how to create a passive income. And this is the important thing. It's not only a passive income, it's a reoccurring passive income with ease. And the fourth bonus is all about allowing you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary process. It will show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes daily to run the entire system. Now, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic source. Now, let's get on with the review.
Everyone is using AI wrong. I know this will come as a surprise to you, and you may not believe me, but just hear me out. Everyone is trying to use Chat GPT and Bard to generate some lame content, maybe articles, or even ads. And you know what they don't tell you? They don't tell you that all of the results generated with AI suck. They don't show you how those ads performing or how many clicks those articles got. But the issue is not the AI technology. The issue is them using AI as a skill, just like programming. It's not as easy as they make it seem. We didn't blindly follow those gurus. Instead, we made our own solution that makes us money like this. And this. And this. How? Simple. We decided to use AI to exploit a $400 billion industry that is online learning every day. People spend billions of dollars buying courses and training videos, and you probably bought many over the years too, right? Now, imagine if there is a way that you can use AI to conquer this massive niche. Imagine if there is a way to create on-demand courses in any niche without actually doing them. Instead, let AI do all the work and give you high-quality courses and training in any niche you want within minutes. Well, you don't have to imagine, my friend, because that's exactly what we did. We created the world's first AI app that automatically researches, creates, and sells courses for us in any niche. Without any experience, without creating any content, and without editing anything. Heck, we don't even have to promote those courses because Converge AI does that for us on autopilot. Yes, it's true. We just select a niche. It can be anything from making money online, golf, forex, dog training, or even rocket science. And within minutes, Converge AI will do everything. It will start by doing proper research to find the hottest trend in that niche. Then it will create high-quality content for the course. And I'm not talking about some random articles and calling it a course. I'm talking about a real course that's better than 99% of the stuff on the market now. After that, it will start promoting it to the targeted users, leaving us just one job: profit. We keep refreshing our account and see money like this rolling in. Finally, you can get your share of the $400 billion industry that is online learning. We eliminated any obstacle that may stand in your way. Hey, my name is Victory, and on behalf of my team, I'm happy to introduce to you Converge AI, the world's first second-generation AI app that will research, create, and sell DFY AI courses for you. Here, let me show you how easy it is to get started with Converge AI. Step 1, access. Click on any of the links to get instant access to Converge AI. Step 2, generate. Let our AI 2.0 model research and create courses in minutes or less. Step 3, profit. That's it. Yup, every day we get hundreds of new paying customers to our business. We don't need to research, design, or promote anything. It's all done for us. And hey, Converge AI doesn't just work for me. It's proven to work app. We put it to a stress test with hundreds of beta testers, and every one of them made money within 24 hours. That's how powerful it is. Wondering how much it costs? Look, we can charge up to $5,000 per month for Converge AI, if not more. Why? Because it's worth it. You will make that monthly $5,000 in just a few days. But truth be told, we make enough money from Converge AI, so we don't have to charge you that for it. So, for a limited time only, I'm willing to give you full access to Converge AI for a fraction of the price. Less than the price of a cheap dinner, which is enough for me to cover the cost of the servers running Converge AI. But that won't last long. I don't want Converge AI to get saturated. So, sadly, I'll have to limit the number of licenses I can give. After that, I'm raising the price to $997 monthly. And trust me, that day will come very, very soon. So you better act quickly and grab your copy while you can. Listen, it's simple. If you're sick of all the BS that is going on the market right now, if you're worried about inflation and the prices that are going up like there is no tomorrow, Converge AI is for you, period. It was designed to be the life-changing system that you have been looking for. Right now, you have the option to change your life. With just a few clicks, we created this for people exactly like you, to help them finally break through. And in the unlikely event that you fail to use Converge AI for any reason, we insist that you send us an email. It's simple. If you don't make money, we don't want your money. We make more than enough with Converge AI. And no need to keep your money if you're not going to use it. Not just that, we will send you $300 as a gift for wasting your time. Worst case scenario, you get Converge AI and don't make any money. You will still get paid $300 for trying it out. Are you ready? Click the button below and get instant access to Converge AI plus an exclusive bundle of bonuses worth thousands of dollars. I'll see you inside.